What's going on, everybody? Stanley Parrish here. Welcome back to the show. I hope you're having a creative day today. I'm back in the studio once again with my girl Allana. We're about to make some portraits for my red project. I guess that's the name. I ain't came up with a name yet, but it's gonna be like a red portrait series. It's gonna be red everything, red hair, red background, red clothes, all red, baby. Look who we have here, Allana. This is her first time in the studio.
Yes, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Thank you for having me, Stanley. I am elated to work with you more in 2018. So
that's right.
I'm excited to see what these pictures gonna look like because I haven't done this in so long.
We're in the studio. We're about to shoot. I already tested out my lights. I got a 3-light setup this time.
Yes.
The key light is a beauty dish with the grid and a diffusion sock on it. Then we got a backlight for the background with the red gel. So we're gonna make that black background red. And then we got a red light coming in from the side.
Alright, y'all, it's me, Allana E Money, and we are done. It's a wrap. So I really enjoyed myself. I got into it, you know. Stanley helped me get into my sexy. That's what we're gonna do in 2018. So make sure you all subscribe, like, and make sure you comment. Subscribe to Stanley Parrish. Alright, and you can find me on all social media at the Lala Money. That's TheLalamani. And we out.
All right, so that's a wrap, folks. We got some beautiful portraits. I can't wait to share them with you guys. Thank y'all for watching. If you enjoy the content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe, drop a comment, share this video with all your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next one.